Okay, well, the surveyors came and they marked my property lines, and they're almost exactly where I thought they were supposed to be, and now it's written in stone. So I am standing in the southeast corner of my property. Let's turn this around. So this is where the fence line is where everybody seems to think my property line was. And due to some other factors, I was pretty sure it was about 6 feet down, which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now it is marked. There's the marker. There's that. And you can see right there how much property is mine that I will be recovering. So all of these bushes will be going away when I come back from New York. And then if we go this way, my sunflowers are coming up really good, you guys. And I planted more last week when I put strawberries in as we're walking up this way. So this is all going to be some kind of fruit trees or something. I put strawberries right there. Anyway, and here is the northeast corner of my property. That is the mark right there. Stop sign. And I knew this is the easement for the road, so that works out pretty good because can't really tell with my car being there, but let's just do this from the side of the road. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let's wander down here. You can really see it when you get down here. I will be getting a new fence put up. So this right here is just basically for people to park, right? So basically about where that, can you see the pink marker there? Comes up here. So let's go to the side of the road. This is my new concrete. So if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right here, which is about what I figured for here, and that's all right. And then if we go down here, it's a good feeling to know I can get all of this crap cleaned up. There's just debris that keeps coming up from the ground, from the years of just having crap here. This is the northwest corner of my property. So, see Dren up there? So my fence will come out to here and down. And then, sadly, this is the property line for them and everybody down there. And then my southwest property mark is here. And so you can't really see, but this is the end of my fence right here. So that's a little more than 6 feet down here where these fences are. So anyway, that's where that is. It's all done. It's getting registered with the county. Nothing in these areas have been surveyed and marked and recorded since 1910. My house was built in 1925. And it was kind of expensive to have this done because they had to go to the city of Vancouver, Clark County monumental markers, and then they had to pull deeds through the courthouse for all of these properties around here and look at their markings, for all of that stuff. And it's taken almost 4 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Hey, buddy. So, needless to say, what you got there? a banana popsicle. That's where that is. So this fence that's over here will be removed, and it will be moved over 6 feet, whatever, how many is it, 6.5, 7, 5.5, whatever, to where the markers are. And all of the boards from the fence will be being put as ceiling in the basement, and they are coming Friday morning to I'm not going to go down there right now, to grind and level at the floor, and then a week after that, I think somewhere around that, they will be out here to do the coating on the floor. So I'm having the coating that's like you would put in your garage. Check this out. Oh, can't check. Blueberries forever. Been eating blueberries for days. And that corner and that corner were and then that little overhang there. Watch out for the sun. I'll see if I can keep it out of your guys' eyes. And this corner and that little corner over there are all getting new gutters. They don't have any fascia boards on them, so I'm getting fascia boards. They're going to put all new seamless gutters. We're going to reuse the downspouts because they're still in good shape, and she said there's no reason, which I agree with her, to pay for downspouts when the ones I have are in good shape and they're just going to get painted anyway. And she came out, measured. I had a $350 off coupon from the county fair, so that's paid for and taken care of. And they were booked out. They were booked out through January, but she managed to get me in for September 15th, which is great because that spot over where the door goes into the basement, when it rains, it's just a gully in there. So it's really not that far off, only a couple weeks. Let's see, I get back from New York on the 28th, and they'll be here on the 15th to do that. So that's what I got for you. I'm so excited. I am excited to remove all of those bushes that are mine and see where that piece of wood is right there. The property line goes a little bit on the other side of that, so yeah, that's a little update. Today is, let's see, we took Justin to the airport. Today is the 16th. Jen's dad went back to LA. He's been here for 4 days. Came in on Friday morning. Anyway, so that's where that is. It's exciting to have some major things done. So I got to get, sit down here. Got to get a hold of I'm not going to build. I'm just going to I'm going to buy the biggest shed that they have that I can fit back there. So I need to have something, and I need to have it soon because I need to get my inventory out of a shop that I'm spending almost $2,000 a month on. And so that's where that is, right? I would like to be able to walk out my back door and go to work and not have to drive anywhere except for the post office. So that's where that is. I'm super excited to finally get some movement, and maybe, just maybe, we'll have the upstairs insulated and the downstairs done by the end of September. Fingers crossed. All right, you guys, that's my update. I have some other videos of things that are doing. I lost a lot of videos when my phone was stolen. And I have some videos that I will show you of Ryan and I doing some work, but I'll put this one out real quick because it's just a quick update on what's going on around the house, and I had to share. All right. Bye. Thanks for being who you are.